it's Gina with WTI, and I got this absolutely luxurious recliner for my 73-year-old mother. This is from JIKFRIMA. My mom absolutely loves this chair. She says it's so comfortable, much more comfortable than any other recliner she has had in the past, especially because of how padded the arms are. A lot of times harder cushions are uncomfortable for her, and this just means that she can sit back, relax, and really enjoy her time in the chair. This has dual motors, and it's so nice for people that might struggle with mobility issues. Now, my mom is able to get up from a seated position, but sometimes it's a little bit more difficult than at other times. So having the option for the lift is really nice. Sometimes my mom does sleep in her recliner, and so it's nice to know that she can be really comfortable and be able to lay completely flat. It also has massage and heat. This is really top of the line luxury for my mom. I just love that she has that option for days when she might be needing a little bit more comfort. This is the taupe gray color. We love how it's really a neutral color that can go with a lot of different color schemes. My mom also really likes that there's loops on the side of the chair where she can hang the remote, so she doesn't even have to look for it when she needs it. She can just grab it right from the loop. This was very easy to install. Everything just clicks into place, and as an added bonus, there's actually cup holders inside the armrests on both sides. If you're looking for a top-of-the-line recliner that is going to be so comfortable for yourself or a beloved family member, this is just the comfiest, coziest chair that you could wish for. It is amazing. And that's our point of view.